Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an ASUS laptop. This is an ASUS ROG or ASUS ROG GL551. The exact model is a GL551JM-DH71. That information can be found on the bottom sticker of the laptop or inside the BIOS. In this video, I'm going to take you on a step-by-step how you can open it up and how you can upgrade the RAM or remove the RAM and the combination that you can have in here. I'll leave the link for a compatible RAMs in the video description in case you want to purchase yours. And it's really easy. It takes only a few minutes to do the upgrade. This laptop we have upgraded to a 16 gig, and that's the best that's the best capacity for the RAM for this model. This is a Gen 4 CPU iCore 7, so it's about 6-7 years old. Right, to do this service, first you want to power off the computer completely. Don't put on a standby or anything like that. Just power it off completely and flip it upside down. You could disconnect the battery by removing the battery slider right there. And we need to remove this cover. It's been held down by 2 screws. These are Phillips screws. So we're going to grab our screwdriver. This is a nice iFix screwdriver set, Phillips number 1. You're going to remove these 2 screws. The screws are the same size and height. They're pretty long screws. So we're going to remove these 2 screws. We're going to slide the cover towards yourself, front, about 0.5 centimeter, and then you just want to lift it up, put it to one side. And the RAMs are right in here. There are 2 RAMs. These are an 8 gig and 8 gig. These are DDR3L. L stands for low voltage. All right, these are low voltage. Now, to remove the RAM, all you want to do, you want to put your fingers on the side, on these triggers right in here. You want to push these triggers to the side, and this one already jumped up really bad. So you want to pull them away from each other, and the RAM will come out in 45-degree angle, just like that. And all you want to do in 45-degree angle, you just want to slide it backward. Just push it towards yourself. Don't yank it towards the ceiling, otherwise you're going to break the RAM or the DIMM. Just slide it out. The second RAM down there, same thing. Pull the triggers on the bottom. You can help it out with a screwdriver. Do it like this. And this RAM will come out in 45-degree and bring it backward. Right. Again, these are 8 gig DDR3 Samsung. You can put any ProSharp brand, any other brand, doesn't matter. You can put a 8 gig or 4 gig. You can mix match them. As long as you have 2 RAM in there, you will have the dual channel. To put it in, make sure the notch on the RAM matches the notch right on the DIMM. So if you try to put it the other way around inside, it will simply not go through. So bring it down in 45-degree inside the connector, all the way push inside, and then simply you want to push it down on the motherboard, and these triggers will open and close automatically. Again, bring it down in 45, all the way in there, push it down, watch these triggers open and close. And that's how you know the RAMs are in place. Once you finish with that one, grab the bottom cover, put it down in an offset position of 0.5 centimeter, and then all you want to do, you want to slide it towards the back and put the 2 screws. Just a little tip for you guys: if you guys remove the RAM or change the RAM when you power it on, it might take up to 5 to 10 seconds, up to 30 seconds sometimes for the BIOS to do a mem check. So don't panic on the first boot up. And if it doesn't boot up after 30 seconds, you want to power it off, replace this, switch the places of the RAM, put the new one on the bottom, the old one on the top, and try it again. And it will boot up eventually. But once you're done with that one, just grab the battery and put it in, and that should cover up today's video. If you want to support the channel, you can click that like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. If you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next videos.